page 82. Hey, where's Raphael? I hear his sound, I hear his voice, but cannot see him. Hey, Raphael, take out your workbook. You just said you found your workbook. Hey, come. Hey, we start this question together. Okay? Martin, Haris. Okay. Darren. Your x and y, they are related by this equation. Okay? Then you have a table. What this table means is when your x is -3, Jefford, when your x is -3, you put -3 inside this equation, your y will end up to be 10. Similarly, they already give you, if x is -2, you put in this equation, your y will get the value 4. If you put in -1 into x, your y will be the value 0. When you put the value 0, 0 minus 0 minus 2, you get -2. So what they want you to do now is to fill in the missing value. What is y when x is 1? Okay? So the first blank here is asking you to find out what is y. Darren. What is y when x equals to 1? So to find out what is y when x equals to 1, we go back to this equation and y is equals to substitute. X with the value 1. Put 1 inside a bracket, substitute x. 1 minus 1 minus 2. -2. Then you can fill in this value because y is -2 when x equals to 1. Okay? Next blank comes about. What is y when x equals to 3? So y is 3 squared minus 3 minus 2. 9 minus 3 minus 2. So equals to 4. Then you can fill in this value. Lastly, they give you. Okay? So with this table, you will have all these coordinates. When x is -3, y is 10. When x is -3, y is 10. Each column will give you 1 point. -2, 4, another point. -1, 0, another point. 0, -2, another point. 1, -2, another point. 2, 0, another point. 3, 4, another point. 4, 10, another point. So you are going to plot. Hey Darren, go outside. Here. Take a chair, do on this table. Okay. So now that you have these points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you can plot all these points onto your graph. Take this chair lah, why you go and take this chair? Later then put back lah. Later then stack up lah. Then you take dealer's chair later, you see where? Dealer was sitting there. Yes. Okay, so now you have these 10 points. Your job is to plot them onto the graph. They already help you draw the axis. Your x-axis, your y-axis. X is horizontal, y is vertical. So, the first point that you have, x minus 3, y 10. X minus 3, so it should be here. And when your x comes to minus 3, your y is 10. 10 is positive, so you are moving upward. Minus 3 move up here. Okay? Moving negative 3, then moving up 10. So your first point should be here. Okay? Negative 2, positive 4. Negative 2, x is along the horizontal. Negative 2, positive 4. Move up, so it should be here. Minus 1, 0. So, minus 1. 0 means it is on the x-axis. Your y never go up, never come down. Jefford, you are the next one to move already. Huh? Your one different. My one is by 1. Okay. Then your graph, you draw according to the x-axis given to you. My one is the old notebook. Okay? So you should move 1 box for negative 1, 2 box for negative 2. Okay? Minus 1, 0. So mine is here. 0, minus 2. 1, minus 2. Okay, I know already. Because the graph too small, that's why they change the textbook so that they can draw the graph bigger. So change, I change my one to look like your one. Here should be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So these points are not correct already. Should be minus 3, 10. Minus 2, 4. Minus 1, 0. 0. here, come phone. No, too many times already. I'd rather you draw free hand than use your because you never listen. You never listen to how I teach you all to draw and your free hand. Raphael. Raphael, yes, turn your book so that our hand moves in a curve. Naturally, when you are turning your wrist, it is a curve. So you turn your book so that your hand fits into the curve, or the book fits into the way you move your wrist. If you don't don't move your book, then it is difficult to draw all these curves. But if you turn your book, then it can fit the way that you move your wrist. Then it will be very easy to draw the curve. Where are you start? Yeah. If you get the points, you start drawing here. Okay. Let's say I'm drawing freehand. I will turn my book, try to fit the curve onto the how I move my hand. Okay? Fit the book into the way you move your hand. Yeah, turn your book, rotate your book the way you move your hand. Okay, this one not very good. I draw two lines near here. Where is my rubber? Okay, then there's a problem. At the bottom, looks like my 2 points, if I join them, it will become a flat bottom. Okay, but in quadratic, the flat cannot be, we cannot have a straight line. It is always a curve, and it will only go straight at only 1 point. So you must try to join these 2 points, the bottom, with a curve that goes below your lowest point. It should still be rounded at the bottom. Okay. So it must go even lower than -2 and then turn. Go below -2 and then turn. Yes, the bottom must be rounded and flat. Only at the bottom. Yes.